The Left Company is a lingerie brand that combines comfort, elegance, and sustainability in its designs. Inspired by strong and independent women, its garments celebrate diversity and promote self confidence. Let's explore the world of the Left Company and all it has to captivate us. Today we have with us here in our set of interviews Lena Crones. She's social manager of the Left Company. Hello, Lena. How are you doing?
Good. How are you? Thank
It's
you
a
for
pleasure
having
to
me.
have you here so you can explain us about your run and give us a nice picture of it. What inspired you the creation of the Left Company lingerie?
So, the Left Company was founded in 2019 with the aim of creating contemporary, sensual, sustainable, and comfy garments. And not only one that made us feel good about our bodies, but was also inspired by diverse women, music, art, design, and femininity itself. So, the type of women that inspires us is the strong women that surround us and take care of us and teach us. And we wanted to do lingerie that not only was sexy, but that make you feel good about yourself and feel comfortable in your own body. And we did that with our first lingerie lounge, and then with the loungewear and the swimwear lounge we did after that, always in mind with that 50s lingerie style vibe, but brought to modern days through pattern design and colors.
I think every type of woman would like that, not only because it's sexy, comfy, and increases self confidence, but also it's a green brand. It's very respectful to environment. How important is the sustainability in the DNA of the brand?
We always felt that this had to be an honest project, not only for the women consumer, but also for the environment. So we started to do a sustainability project that involved using fabrics such as stencil, one of the most sustainable fabrics there is at the moment, which also works perfectly for lingerie, given that it works as a second skin. We also work with Roika fabric and viscose ecovero and try to work with workshops nearby, what we call kilometer zero workshops, and workshops in the area, as well as workshops that employ women that are in social economical vulnerability.
I think those are very nice fabrics for lingerie. Browsing in your website, we see that the Left Company is a body inclusive brand. I think it empowers any kind of body. How do you reflect that into the designs?
We always felt that we needed to stay honest with ourselves, so with no artifice or padding. What we did is mold every line and every cup to a different variety of body types. So it's basically designs done by women for women. And what we wanted to do with that is create a space where everyone felt comfortable in their own skin. And you wouldn't understand the brand if we would only be using patterns that fitted a small percentage of the female population.
Beauty and commitment are two values that are very important for many women. Tell us about the inspiration behind the colors and the styles of the designs of the Left Company lingerie.
Well, we always get inspired by the 50s lingerie style, but brought to a modern moment through pattern design and colors. Our entire brand constructs itself on top of three pillars, which are inclusive pattern designs, timeless colors, elegance, and comfiness. And through this entire values, we've been able to connect with a lot of brands and people that share the same values. Like, for example, with our latest collaboration with Studio Arde for our latest loungewear drop. And I think it's always beautiful to find brands that are similar in value and ethics as ours, and to be able to commute and do things together.
I love it that you get inspiration from the classic 50s designs because I think the 50s for lingerie is a great era.
It's a great era. Yeah.
What plans does the brand have to expand itself? What markets are you in? Which other markets are you willing to break into?
Well, we're currently in the Spanish, Danish, Italian, and Belgian markets, and we're looking to expand to the main European capitals. Currently, how our commerce situation works is we sell directly through our customers to from our websites and online store. We're aiming to have more presence in concept stores, in online concept stores and marketplaces, as well as shops that specialize in lingerie and swimwear lines. So we are working with our sales team to prioritize the Spanish market at the moment and later focus on the European market. So on top of working with our sales representatives, we wanted to be present as well at two of the most important European trade fairs, the one in Paris and the one in Berlin, where we feel that through them we'd be able to access the European northern market, where we have a lot more customers in the latest years than we expected. And this enabled us to be first the Left lingerie and then the Left company, because we included loungewear, we included swimwear on top of the lingerie, and we would be able to do that thanks to the customer relationship management that we did, and we felt like they demanded that we did that change and that we included more branches of wear.
Thank you, Lena, for sharing your time with us. It was a great conversation. Now we know more about the Left Company project, this project, feminine and feminist project created by women for women. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.